The history of human food consumption is quite interesting. In ancient times, humans hunted wild animals and ate their raw meat. Now the journey of human food consumption is going to go from flowers, fruits, and pets to insects. Even though there is an old practice of eating insects in many parts of the world including India. But in the future, the market for insects can become very big. In European countries and China, many large restaurants serve dishes made of insects. Scientists say, after 30 years humans will eat insects due to the food crisis. The practice of eating insects is called entomophagy. It is estimated that by 2050 the world population will reach 9 billion. So, the demand for food will continue to increase, especially in industrializing countries like India, China and in continental Africa. It is possible that a third of the world's population will suffer from food shortages and outright malnutrition. Consuming insects could help solve the global food supply problem. You may be surprised to learn that edible insects are really very good for you. There are several health benefits of eating insects. The United Nations says, insects can provide nutrition, with high fat, protein and mineral contents. More than 1,900 insect species are considered edible worldwide, with beetles the most common, followed by bees, locusts, grasshoppers, caterpillars and crickets. According to the World Counts, about 9 million people die every year due to hunger and hunger-related diseases. This is more than malaria, tuberculosis, and AIDS combined. Worldwide, 822 million people suffer from undernourishment. People already consume insects in some parts of the world. But it will be common in the future due to the food crisis.